Have you considered whether you have the bandwidth to protect your name, image, and reputation in the digital world? Many major brands have registered trademarks for their virtual goods and services, but registering a mark in every country worldwide is an expensive option. Some businesses will need to prioritize securing trademark protection in countries where infringement is most likely to happen or where it's likely to be most damaging. It's also important to remember that preemptive registration is not an indefinite fix. A trademark can be removed from the register if you don't use it in the country for the relevant period. Decisions about registration are further complicated by the fact that trademarks sit uncomfortably within a borderless world, the internet. Trademark disputes over the internet have so far been addressed with the principle of targeting. This is essentially whether the goods and services in question are targeted at buyers in a particular country. But the targeting principle may not be helpful if a decentralized currency is in use and the activity is international. So, what does this mean for IP in the metaverse and how can you protect your rights? We delve further into this with our latest bandwidth articles.